calling out Chris Black and Jay Real.
Yo.
Cyanide.
Symphony. I guess the aliens back, the plan of attack to ransack Hannibal shack. The cannibals whack with anthrax dragged in the back and handled and trapped and beat him till his bones look like the animal snacks. Check his mandible, yeah, I'm nothing short of a beast. This is why the shrink said I can't come off of my leash. I eat a beat as my feet and got the heart of a thief. I guess that's why I steal the show and I just utter a speech. Time to slow it down, a poet sound. He's the dopest house, so profound. Kid with a potent style, so focus now. I'm the coldest child, a polar bear with a frozen mouth. Cold as a crowd chamber with a broken down. I bust it open, my flow is just so corrosive. Wow, his throat is holding the rope if he slip is choking out. This spawn of old in this road, I just walk alone and just coping with my emotions before I hit an explosion. Wow, came to make it faith that man restored. I could destroy your whole planet like the hand of God. I surpass y'all in bars, more advanced than Thor. Even my technology is more advanced than yours. Cause I'm riding through the sky in the GS Legend. Call of Duty 11 on my PS7. Like my lyrics with weapons for every head that I'm severing. Wait, I have a confession, don't know how to express it, okay? The class is in session, so pass me the lesson. My manic depression is covered by my passive aggression. What an impression, flow that's as deep as the ocean. Make him see red when I part his head like Moses. You could say I'm cocky, but I call it passion. Alien deoxy, ribonucleic acid. Slash, leave him gassing fast like an assassin. Sonic dash of flash and no human can catch him.